Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rukmini Motivation and Design. You know, we live in a world where we just assume we always need to be connected, to be creative. But what happens when the internet goes dark? Whether it's a simple data outage, traveling in remote areas, or the serious reality of internet shutdowns in conflict zones like we've seen recently in 2026. Your creativity should never be held hostage by a Wi-Fi signal. Today, I'm showing you how to build a digital fortress. We'll cover offline Photoshop mastery, running powerful AI like Stable Diffusion locally, and using secret mesh networks to send ads and designs to clients without a single byte of internet. Let's get started. First, the basics. Adobe Photoshop is a powerhouse that works perfectly offline once installed. You don't need the cloud to mask, layer, or retouch. Pro tip: always keep a local asset library. Before you go offline, make sure you have your favorite brushes, textures, and UI kits saved to an external SSD. When the web goes down, your workflow shouldn't even skip a beat. You don't need a subscription to Midjourney or ChatGPT to be an AI artist. You can run these industry-standard tools entirely on your own hardware. Stable Diffusion through Drawthings or Automatic 1111 is honestly the gold standard. Once you download the checkpoint models, you can generate professional-grade images entirely on your GPU. LM Studio is a game-changer too. It lets you run large language models like Llama 3 or Mistral locally. Use it to write ad copy or brainstorm design concepts without an internet search. Upscale is another free offline tool that uses AI to enlarge low-res images into high-definition masterpieces. And don't forget Adobe Neural Filters. Just remember to go to your filter gallery today and click Download on filters like photo restoration and depth blur, so they are ready when you're offline. In 2026, we've seen how information becomes a survival tool. During wars or civil unrest, the internet is often the first thing to be cut. As a designer, your skills become a tool for resilience. Information design. Use Inkscape or Photoshop to create emergency maps, medical guides, or safety posters that can be printed or shared peer-to-peer. Offline translation. Use LM Studio to translate critical safety warnings into local languages for your community. The power of visuals. In a crisis, a clear icon or infographic can save lives. By mastering offline tools, you ensure that your voice and your client's message can never be silenced by a network blackout. Preparation is your best friend. Organize your drive like this. First, create an AI models folder. Keep your GGUF and checkpoint files here. Next, set up a font vault with a local folder of over 500 essential typefaces. Then make sure you have instruction manuals by saving PDF tutorials for those complex tasks. And finally, build a reference library, a folder full of design inspiration, so you aren't just staring at a blank screen. How do you post an ad or send work to a client when the world is, well, offline? You use hyperlocal mesh networks. For example, Bridgefy is like the social network of the offline world. Use its broadcast mode to send promotional graphics or safety ads to every device within about 100 meters. It's honestly like a digital billboard that moves with you. Then there's Briar, which is perfect for secure groups. You can create forums to share designs with your team or clients, all without a central server. BitChat is another option, a decentralized tool using Bluetooth to create encrypted marketplaces where you can actually pin client ads. And don't forget ShareIt or Zender. You can create an ad hoc Wi-Fi hotspot to push your latest portfolio or a client's digital catalog directly onto their phone during a meeting. Working offline isn't just for emergencies, it's actually for focus. Going offline totally kills the scroll trap of social media. It forces you to rely on your own skills and your local machine. This is where true deep work happens. You aren't just consuming the internet, you are really mastering your craft. Design is not about the speed of your fiber optics. It's about the depth of your ideas and your purpose. Whether you are building a global brand or helping your neighbors in a blackout, you have the power to create anywhere, anytime. If you found this guide helpful for your creative journey, please like, share, and subscribe to Rukmini Motivation and Design. Stay creative, stay resilient, stay strong. I'll see you in the next one.